All right, so let's start with our area model. So 127 times 34. So when we make our area model, we have a 2-digit times a 3-digit number. So we're going to have to make an area model that's a 2 by 3 array. All right, so there's 3 digits and 2 digits. All right, and I'm going to break 127 apart into its individual place values. All right, 100, 20, and 7. So there's 100, 20, and 7. All right, and then the next thing that I'm going to do is vertically, I'm going to break down 34 into its individual place values. I have 3 tens, so 30. I have 4 ones, there's 4. So now I've set up my area model. All I have to do at this point is complete the math on the inside. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to do is 30 times 100. Remember, using the zeros trick, cover up the zeros. 3 times 1 is 3, and you have 1, 2, 3 zeros. So 30 times 100 is 3,000. All right. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to multiply 30 times 20. All right. So 30 times 20. 3 times 2 is 6, and I have 2 zeros. So my next number is 600. So 30 times 20 is 600. The next one that I'm going to do is 30 times 7. So 30 times 7, cover up the 0. 3 times, oops, that's not the 0. I can't even get my finger in there. All right, there we go. 3 times 7. 3 times 7 is 21. And then we covered up the 1 0. All right, so there's 210. So 30 times 7 is 210. Next up, let's go back down here. 4 times 100. 4 times 100 is 400. 4 times 100. So I'm going to write 400. I'm trying my best to keep my place values here. You see how everything is, here's the ones, here's the tens, here's the hundreds, here's the thousand. So, and then 4 times 20. 4 times 2 is 8. And we have 1 0. So 4 times 20, you have 4 times 2 is 8. And then we had 1 0. And then finally, 4 times 7 is 28. Oops. 4 times 7, I got ahead of myself, is 28. All right, so now what I need to do is I just need to add all of these numbers. All right, if for some reason you don't have the place value lined up, you want to rewrite these numbers right here to where they're all lined up. Remember that they have to be all the way to the right, okay? So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11. 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 6 more is 12 plus 1 more is 13. And then 1 plus 3 is 4. So when I took all these partial products together and added them, I got 4,318. So the factor 127 times the factor 34 gives the product 4,318. Next up, we're going to look at the algorithm. The algorithm is the easiest way once you practice it, because you can use the algorithm to get really large numbers without ever having to do anything more than a math fact. So what we're going to do next is we're going to look at the algorithm, and we're going to look at the order that it goes in, and then we're going to look at how it is a list of math facts. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is set up the problem. When we set up the algorithm, the number with the most digits goes on top. So there is my problem. I have 3 digits in 127 times 2 digits in 34. So the 2 digits go on bottom, the 3 digits go on top. So first things first, make sure the number with the most digits goes on top. If you get them upside down, then you're not going to have an algorithm that works. All right, so come back to the next video and we'll check it out.